Myself Nidhi Ghetia from Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Subhas Technical Campus. Okay, so today's our study of the subject, that is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1. That's called, that is BP 202 BP. Okay, so in this subject we learn the our third chapter, that is alkenes. Okay, so today's our study of the content, that is introduction of alkenes, then nomenclature of the alkenes, then IUPAC naming system of the alkenes, specific, that is IUPAC system of the alkenes. Okay, and then physical properties of the alkene. So first, that is alkenes, introduction of the alkenes. Okay, so alkenes are also known as the hydrocarbons because that contains the hydrogen and carbon both atoms. Okay, so that's why that's called the hydrocarbon. But alkenes are the unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon having the two hydrogen atom less than alkane, and there is presence of the double bond in their molecules. Okay, so alkenes are the unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. Okay, that's having the two atoms of hydrogen less than alkene. Okay, and the presence of the double bond in their molecular structure. Okay, so their general formula of the alkene, that is a CnH2n, where N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then alkenes are also known as the olefins. Okay, second name, alkenes second name, that is a olefin. Okay, then unsaturated hydrocarbons having a 2 or 3 double bonds are called as the alkadines or alkatrines. Either 2 bonds are present, that's called the alkadines, and either 3 bonds are the present, then that's called the alkatrines. Okay, then unsaturated hydrocarbons having several double bonds are known as the polyene. Okay, unsaturated hydrocarbons having n double bonds in their structure, so then also known as the polyene. Okay, so polyene are the also part of the alkene, structure of the alkene, having the structure of the alkene. Okay, then nomenclature of the alkene, mainly two types of the nomenclature, that is first, that is common naming system and IUPAC naming system. So in first, that is a common naming system. So the common name is obtained by the replacing the suffix, that is ane, alkane, from the name corresponding alkenes by while ylene. Okay, alkylene. Alkane ane are transfer replaced with the ylene. Okay, alkylene. In example, that is alkane, remove the n, in suffix remove the n, ane remove and replace by the ylene. Okay, alkylene. So their naming, that is alkylene, remove the ends in suffix remove the and replace by the ylene. Okay, so examples, that is alkylene, propylene and butylene. And IUPAC naming system, that is the name is derived by the replacing the suffix ane of the corresponding alkane by the in. Okay, in IUPAC naming system, suffix replaced by the in, and common naming system replaced by the ylene. Okay, so in alkane ane are remove and attach the ene. Okay, so alkenes in as per the IUPAC naming system. Okay, so IUPAC naming system, first rule, that is the carbon containing chain is longest, including with double bond with parent hydrocarbon or parent alkane chain. Okay, so first rule of the IUPAC naming system, that is carbon containing chain is longest, including with double bonds with parent alkenes. Okay, and then rule number 2, that is a position of the double bonds, and substitution are indicates by the Arabic numericals. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, position of the double bonds and substitution are mentioned, indicated by the numbers like 1, 2, 3. So numbering is done from the side which gives the lowest number to the double bond. Okay, numbering is done from the side that's having the lowest number of the double bond. Okay, side number of the double bond that having the lowest number of the double bonds. Okay, and then the carbon chain is numbered in such a way that the substituents, if present, gets the lower number. Okay, so in this the carbon chain is numbered in such a way that the substituents, if present, gets the lower numbers. Okay, then rule number 3, that is I use PSC naming system. Rule number 3, that is name of the substituents name of the substituents on the carbon chain is preceded by the position to the name of the parent alkane. Okay, parent alkene. Name of the parent alkene. As per prefix, substituents of the carbon chain is prefixed by the position of the parent alkenes. Okay, then rule number 4, that is a substitution is repeated 2, 3 or 4 times, the prefix di, tri or tetra are used. Okay, so in this substituents in the repeated by 2, 3 or 4 times, the prefix that is using the prefix that is di, tri, tetra are used. Okay, so in this substituents, any substituents are repeated by the 2, 3, 4 times, then we prefix adding the to di, tri or tetra. Okay, then physical properties of the alkenes. Then physical properties, mainly 4 types of the properties are included. So first that is electrical conductivity. Okay, so alkenes not having a conduct electricity. Okay, so in alkenes cannot be able to conduct the electricity. Okay, and then density. So not much less the density than water. Okay, so alkenes having not too much density with compared to the water. Okay, then solubility like dissolve like rule. Okay, obeys like dissolve like rule, and dissolve in organic solvents. Any physical properties of the alkane, then alkane solubility are dissolve in organic solvents. Okay, any organic solvents, alkenes are the dissolve, like chloroform, either methanol, any organic solvents. Then insoluble in water, alkenes are the insoluble in water. Okay, so this is a solubility test. Then melting point and boiling points. So alkenes are covalent compounds. Okay, they are held together by the weak intramolecular forces. Okay, so alkenes are covalent compounds that having a covalent bonds. Okay, and then held together by the weak intramolecular force. Okay, then low melting and boiling points. Alkenes that are not having a much melting point and boiling point values. Okay, so this is examples of the alkenes that having a boiling point, melting point and density. Okay, so ethane C2H4, that's formula, that is a C2H4, and then melting point that is a minus 169 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then boiling point that is a minus 103 degrees Celsius, and then density that is a 0.0011 per gram centimeter. Okay, then propane formula that is a C2H6, and then melting point that is a minus 185, and boiling point that is a minus 48, and the density that is a 0.0018. Okay, 0.0018. Then butene, same like that. Structure formula that is a C4H8. Okay, and then melting point that is a minus 185, same like propene, and boiling point that is a minus 6, and density that is a 0.0023. Okay. Then pentene, that's having a 5 carbon and 10 hydrogen. Okay. So then that's formula that is a C5H10. Their melting point that is a minus 165 degrees Celsius, and then boiling point that is a 30 degrees Celsius, and the density that is a 0.6430, less than water. Okay, all alkenes density are less than water. Okay, compared to the water, that is less than to water. And then hexene, their formula that's having a 6 carbon and hydrogen 12. So that's formula that is a C6H12. Melting point that is a minus 140 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then boiling point that is a 64 degrees Celsius, and the density that is 0.6750. Okay, so these all are the examples of the physical properties of the alkenes. Then this is like a comment. This is a when the number of carbon atoms are increases, when we number of the carbon atoms are increases, then physical properties of the alkene that also increases. Okay, this is a comment type question. So remember that when the number of the carbon atoms are increases in alkene, then the physical properties of alkenes also increase. Okay, then molecules get bigger and the molecular mass increases. Okay, molecules get bigger because the carbon number are increases and molecular mass also increases. So then the densities of the alkenes also increase. Okay, so number of the carbon atoms are increased, then molecular mass also increases, and then the density also increases, and the molecule gets bigger and intramolecular force of the attraction become the stronger. Okay, intramolecular force of the attraction become the stronger in alkene because that having a bigger molecule structure. Okay, then more energy is needed to overcome the strong force of the attraction. Okay, and then the melting point and boiling points also increases because the all physical properties are the increases, then melting point and boiling point are also increases. Okay, so this is a comment type question. Okay, comment type topic. So compulsory that is a remember that. Okay, so thank you to all.